I think Sports Day is the best day to show unity as all of us are working together to finish our grand Sports Day once a year. As a chairperson of the sports committee, I think everyone is trying their best to do the same thing with the same goal, which is winning glory for one's own house. The applause and the cheers are coming from each house when there is a running relay. We work together in order to create memorable and perfect sports day for everyone. So I really appreciate the unity of all of us.
每一年学校都只有一次这样的运动会，而每一个项目都只有一个冠军。不管有没有奖牌都没有關係，因為大家只要一起參加比賽，快樂才是最重要的。
咁喺陸運會入邊，我覺得最重要嘅係 run for fun 啦，因為喺從中我哋可以獲得到好多嘅成就感。好似啱啱我去跑完3000米嘅比賽之後，我覺得我自己已經超越咗自己好多嘅極限啦，然後喺從中我又覺得好滿足嘅感覺，咁所以就係因為咁樣，我覺得好快樂啦。
Run for health, run for fun, run for unity. This slogan captures KSLO College's belief in the power of exercise to strengthen the body and uplift the spirit. At its 30th Sports Day, students experience the joy of sports, celebrating healthy lifestyles through every run and cheer. The college emphasizes academic excellence alongside physical well-being, fostering unity and teamwork. Today, they run together, creating cherished memories that elevate their spirits. Let us celebrate their dedication as they embody health, joy, and unity.
One for fun, one for health, one for unity. Yeah! Go!